guys, we're on Facebook Live, or whatever this is, on Twitter Live. Why don't you say who you are, what we're doing out here?
We're out here rescuing people out here that need help.
And what's the name?
Arnold Chopper.
And we're in the Kingwood area?
We're in the Kingwood area. That's my partner, Guerrero.
How you doing, guys? So, we've got, we're out here, Chief Canyon, Chief Center. Hopefully you can see, pretty heavy rain. People getting lucky. I got Chief Lopez here, and Chief Canion's on the phone. So we've got, between HFD and HPD, we've got trucks in the Kingwood area now. We've got boats in the water. Here we go. This is not people just listening. And we've already had arrested a bunch of people on highways out here. Now we're working on going to a flooded neighborhood where it's taking in water. This guy over there. So we tweeted earlier tonight to stay off the road. People don't listen, unfortunately. This quick sign for you. Here you go. Please avoid being out on the highways anywhere in the greater Houston area, regardless of what county you're in. It's a good time to not be out here. There's Kingwood Emergency Hospital. And our friends from Centerpoint Energy ready to assist you. Closed down 59 at Beltway 8 to get traffic out of here because people are turning around going the wrong way. And the freeway flooded also So here we are, and we'll keep you all posted. All right. Here's our Fort Bend County. And you'll see people on the freeway stop on 59 because it's pretty heavy stuff. Huh? We're live. There's a fire hydrant. To give you an idea, that fire hydrant is going up in the water. You go out to 6 feet high. Here's some flooded equipment. Here we are. We're on the frontage road, northbound 59, around Kingwood Drive, working our way into a neighborhood to start rescuing folks. We've already had other trucks here. Is there somebody in there? Nobody. No. Okay, they're just flooded out car. No one's in it. They just checked flooded out equipment. So